Hi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain what are the differences in RDBMS and NoSQL and some basic commands of Mongodb and how to install Mongodb in Amazon Linux. If you're visited first, please subscribe, continue to watch. Let's get started. Here the table I have mentioned the difference between the RDBMS and NoSQL. In that table having 3 columns features of RDBMS and NoSQL. Let's discuss now. First, data model. RDBMS is table-orient data will saved like rows and columns, but in NoSQL like MongoDB document-oriented BSON format data. Second one is schema. RDBMS is fixed schema, means structured way to store the data, but NoSQL flexible, no structured to store the data. MongoDB store data in form of documents, no structured way. Next one is joins. RDBMS support joins, but MongoDB it will not support joins because it is embedding. Next we need to move and fourth one. Query language. RDBMS support SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL and so on. But NoSQL MongoDB query language. Scalability. RDBMS support vertical scalability, but MongoDB supports horizontal scalability, for example sharding. Move on to next difference, which is transaction. RDBMS supports ACID. What is ACID? Atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability, but MongoDB also supports, but it's limited. In the last difference of RDBMS and NoSQL is where is used. Now RDBMS is for banking sectors, financial services and inventory management system, but NoSQL used IoT applications, real-time apps, big data management and content management. Thus all differences of RDBMS and NoSQL MongoDB database. Now let's move on to basic commands of MongoDB. I just explain simple commands which are needed everyday MongoDB database. Now let's move. Here I am going to explain MongoDB basics commands. First we need to know database commands. First one is show DBS, it will shows all the database. And second one is use database name. This command is used switch and create a database. Third one is db.th. This command is used to show the current available databases. And last one db.drop database command is used to drop all the databases. Now next move to collection commands. In the collection commands, first one is show collections. In this commands shows all the collections from database. Next second one is db.create collection name. In this command going to create a collection. And the last third one is db.collection name drop. In this command used drop the particular collection. Now we'll discuss insert commands. In that will comes to commands insert 1 and insert many. Insert 1 is used to insert a single's data, but insert many is used insert multiple documents. Now I am going to discuss find commands. In that's find commands, 3 main commands are used. One is db.collection name.find. In this command used to find the particular collection data. Below commands are used particular key value mention, so we need find particular key value data pretty manner. That's all found commands. Now I am going to update commands. In that having 2 types, update 1 and update many. Update 1 means update single record or documents, but in update many is update a multiple documents in same time, so mainly using update in all the organization. Now we'll discussing delete commands. In this also same like update. Here delete 1 and delete many. In this also same like a delete a single record and multiple records. Now last but list. Here is the other userful commands. Here commands are count the documents, .sort the records ascending order.limit is used find limited record example you have thousands of we need to find 5 data so in that time we can use limit and last one aggregate used for pipeline. So this A. So next I'm going to explain how Mongodb will install from Amazon Linux OS. What are the procedure we need to follow to install? Let's get started. There is 3 method to install Mongodb. One is RPM, repo and tarball method. Now I'm going to explain repo method. First we need to configure the package management console using yum command. Next add the repository file. You will get repository file in Mongodb official website. Once add repository file next you need to install Mongodb package using command sudo yum install y mongodb org. In this commands used to install Mongodb package. Next you need to start the process using systemctl start mongor or service mongor start. Once will start service you need to verify service is started or not using a command. Systemctl status mongor or service mongor status. Command to check the status. Once finish all the above procedure you need to Mongo shell using command mongosh. Here you can verify versions of Mongodb and you create database collection here only. Mongosh is command line interpreter. You have to store the data here only. I will show you later how to create a database and now to create collection in Mongosh. Upcoming videos we will discuss. Just you understand how to install Mongodb, what are all the commands used and how enter Mongo shell. This all about today. What we are discussing what is the difference in RDBMS and NoSQL and some basic commands and Mongodb installation procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.